audience. I'm glad you're able to join us, and we're blessed to have you. Today's video is going to be about the mountequinoxcountrystore and Consignment shop, which is the store that I speak about regularly in my videos when I say that I'm going to build one project or the other and bring it up to the shop. It's just going to be an introduction to the store today. I'll do a few videos along the way updating the items that people have dropped off and the items that I've built to put in there. We're located at 6367 Vermont Route 7A, Sunderland, Vermont. Going to be the red building here. If you look for the red and the white building, right just south of us, that'd be probably our closest neighboring property. That would be the location to come to take a look at our shop. Well, let's go inside and I'll go over a few things that we have in there that we offer.
So a little bit more about mountequinoxcountrystore. We're open from Thursday through Monday, 10:30 to 6. And what we try to do is maintenance on the other 2 days off. Sometimes we'll open, sometimes we're not open. Depends on how much maintenance we have to do. You can probably see the little china cabinet on the side here. We're getting ready to rearrange that. We use this room predominantly to sell like cutting boards, some of our handmade items. We also have some art. I'll show that to you in just a second. We have these coasters here that my wife and I have poured. These are made to look like geode coasters. These are obviously just square ones. We have some up in the back here as well, where we built a form. We added in some hemlock boughs, hemlock cones. And this is just little cutoffs from cherry burl. We have quite an arrangement of cutting boards. We have one crafter that likes to make these one-piece cutting boards. This one is obviously walnut. He mills all his own lumber. He makes these live edge. He likes to smooth down the edge, take the bark off, just keep that contour. He does a really nice job with his cutting boards. We also have another crafter that predominantly makes the edge green, the straight edge cutting boards, or straight green. So those are available, plus the boards that I make, that you guys see me make in the shop. So then, as you can see over in here, we have some of the art that people like to make. We have a little key holder here, some photos, some watercolors, some of the things that people do out of fabrics. So as this goes on, I'll outline a number of the things that we have in the shop and the things that we have that come in. I'll probably make some videos of the things that need to be repaired or refurbished. If you're watching this and you're living local to the Sunderland, Vermont area, and you have something that you want to maybe try to sell, something that isn't really working in your household anymore, feel free to stop by. We'll try to help you out with taking it on a consignment basis, try to sell it for you. Or if you're a crafter, we can also try to do that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Please share the video. That also is very helpful to the channel and also to my family. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It's also very helpful to the channel. And until we see each other again, everybody stay blessed.